Hi, I'm Alex with Treasure Coast House Hunters. Today we're at PGA Village Verano and I'm excited to show you the Riley model. This gem offers 3 bedrooms, a flex room, 3.5 bathrooms. It's available with either a 2 or 3 car garage and space for your very own pool. To reach us, check the comments below and remember to hit subscribe for exclusive access to all of our videos. Now let's get started with the tour. As we step inside, notice the spacious open concept living areas bathed in natural light. Each room seamlessly flows into the next, creating an inviting atmosphere perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. The builder offers the flexibility to tailor this home to your desires. Options include expanding up to 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths, adding a 600 square foot bonus space upstairs, and even a full-size 3-car garage for your vehicles and storage needs. Most homes in PGA Verano boast serene waterfront views, offering a tranquil retreat right in your backyard. Imagine unwinding here after a fulfilling day surrounded by the natural beauty of South Florida. For the golf enthusiasts, the renowned 54-hole PGA Golf Club is yours to explore with direct cart path access. Membership is optional, but the luxury is undeniable. Once again, thank you for joining us today. We look forward to being your trusted partners in finding your dream home in the Treasure Coast. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.